Welcome back. Landmark is a local medical group bringing back the house call. Their doctors, nurse practitioners, and physician assistants specialize in caring for people with multiple chronic health conditions. Joining us now is Nurse Care Manager Jonae Burks and patient Ruff Bang. Thank you both for being here today.
Thank you for having us.
Of course. So Jonae, tell us a little bit more about Landmark Health. What is it that you do?
Well, I'm a registered nurse with Landmark, and I work as a telephonic case manager. But as you said, Landmark is a national medical group that specializes in the management of care for people with multiple chronic conditions. We have a great team of physicians, nurse practitioners, physician's assistants, and great nurses that actually help with management of the care. The special thing about Landmark is that we are exclusively a mobile provider, so patients don't have to worry about actually coming to us or leaving their home. We go strictly to them. We do regular scheduled visits throughout the year, and we also do urgent visits. So whenever there's a need that the patient has, or a change in healthcare, or just a concern, we can come directly to them.
Wonderful. And Ruff, you are one of those patients, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonderful. And so they've really helped you out. It sounds like, if you can tell me a little bit just about, what is it? It's the Landmark, there's a button you press?
We have a Landmark link.
Landmark link, okay. Can you chat with me about that real quick? Landmark link. What is Landmark link?
Well, I ain't too good at.
Okay. Jonae, why don't you tell us about Landmark link?
Yeah, so what the Landmark link is, it's a safety alert device.
Okay.
So let's say a patient, most of our patients don't have caregivers that actually stay with them. Most of our patients are alone in their homes. So with the link, let's say they have a slip, or let's say they have a fall and they're in need of some attention, but they aren't able to actually call 911. Well, when they press the button to the link, the call actually comes directly to us, and we're able to triage it from there and actually send the emergency services if we need to.
So that's an invaluable service.
Yes, very much so.
Especially for those people who need it. So tell me how you help your patients avoid the ER.
So our Landmark goal is to avoid hospital visits and avoid the emergency visits. So what we do, like I said, if there's any change in condition or any concern, if we think it's a cough or it may be pneumonia, we can come directly to you. Landmark offers services such as x-rays, labs, and ultrasounds. A lot of the things that we can avoid going to the emergency room for, we can do strictly in your home. So that's our goal, to avoid the hospital. And we are available 24/7, 365. It's not just a saying that we have. We really are available 24/7. We're available on holidays, we're available on the weekends, and we're even available during the Saints games. So whenever the patient needs us, we're always there.
So you're on call, you literally are. Okay,
yes.
That's wonderful. And it sounds like you've become just sort of a member of this extended family, right?
You are. For myself, being a telephonic case manager, the nurses, we aren't able to actually see the patients, but we establish a relationship with them through the phone.
Sure.
And I love being a telephonic manager because you're able to educate, you're able to kind of grow with the patient and grow with them as they're learning how to manage their conditions. Sure. And I love that. Like, the education never stops, the improvement never stops. Me trying to help you have the best quality of life you can have never stops.
Right, definitely. Okay, you're kind of like a coach.
Yeah, like a health coach.
Like a life coach, health coach.
Yeah,
That's fun. Okay, so any tips for people as far as if they're interested in, learning more about Landmark Health, or if their multiple chronic conditions are applicable?
Okay, if you are interested in learning more about Landmark Health, you can visit landmarkhealth.org. If you're interested in employment, which is the same, you can visit.
I was going to say you're hiring too.
Of course, we are continually expanding. Landmark is a wonderful company to work with. We have perfect values, and we love to help the patient. Like, these are our goals. We want to make sure that the patient has the best quality of life that they can have. So if you're interested in working for Landmark, like I said, you can visit landmarkhealth.org, or if you are a patient and you want to inquire about what your health plan actually covers, you can call us at 833-362-6703.
Perfect. So you're really compassionate. All you people are very compassionate, care about helping other people.
Yes,
that's
we
nice.
do.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you both so much for being here.
Thank you for having us.
All right. So, of course, as she mentioned, you can visit Landmark Health on their website. That's landmarkhealth.org, or give them a call at the number on your screen. You can also visit them in person at 1 Galleria Boulevard, Suite 1420 in Metairie. All right, well, there's much more to come on Great Day after the break, so make sure you stick with us. We'll be right back.